How an ISTJ acts when they like someone. ISTJ individuals may exhibit unique signs when they develop feelings for someone. Here are some behaviors that could be observed. Sense of responsibility and reliability. ISTJs typically display a strong sense of responsibility, and when they like someone, they may become even more reliable and diligent. Attentiveness. They might pay careful attention to the needs and preferences of the person they like, making an effort to fulfill their expectations. Concrete actions. ISTJs are inclined to express their feelings through practical actions, such as offering assistance, providing support, or completing tangible tasks for the person they like. Conservative and stable relationships. ISTJs tend to seek stable relationships, so when they like someone, they may aim to establish a reliable and enduring connection. Sharing personal experiences. While they may usually be reserved about expressing emotions, ISTJs may be more willing to share personal experiences and feelings with someone they like. Adherence to principles. ISTJs often have firm values and principles, and when they like someone, they expect mutual alignment on these core values. Realistic view of love. ISTJs may prioritize a practical view of love, emphasizing stability, family, and the development of intimate relationships. How to make an ISTJ like you. Reliability. ISTJs value reliability and a sense of responsibility. Demonstrate that you are a trustworthy partner who can fulfill commitments. Respect and trust. Show respect for their values and personal space, as building trust is crucial to winning the favor of an ISTJ. Practical actions. Express feelings through concrete actions, such as offering help, providing support, or showing practical care, actions that carry significant weight for an ISTJ. Stability. ISTJs appreciate stability and reliability in relationships. Highlight your commitment to a long-term relationship and a stable future together. Open and honest communication. While they may be reserved about emotions, open and honest communication can help them understand your feelings more easily. Shared values. Emphasize common values and goals to establish a stronger connection with an ISTJ. Respect for tradition. Understand and respect their appreciation for traditional beliefs and practices, as this can contribute to gaining their approval. In summary, building a relationship with an ISTJ requires demonstrating reliability, respect, and a commitment to a long-term stable relationship. Actions and open communication can increase your attractiveness to them.